Hello everybody and welcome back. I'll show you guys how you can round the corners of an image in Squarespace, a web designing platform where you can create your website, and then there are some templates which you can choose with some images where you can round the corners of. So click on see templates to look at the templates that you can choose, and then afterwards the templates will appear just like this. Fancy. Let's say if we edit this, and then we're going to round the corners of this image. So pick this template and then click on start with this design. Wait until everything in the website template has been loaded. You give the site a name, for example, round corners of an image, and then click on next. And then let's say if you want to round the corners of this image. So go to edit, click on edit. Alright. Wait until the editing panel appears just like this, and then we're going to wait until this image appears. Alright, now let's round the corners. So click on this image, click on the edit icon, and then go to design, and then head over to corner radius. It depends on you to pick which corner that you want to round. Either you want to round all of the corners, pick this option, and then if you want to, round a certain corner, head over here and then pick the value, and then type a value for the top left if you want to round the corners of the top left side of the image. For example, you type in like 50. Just like this. Now the top left corner has been rounded just like this, without rounding the other corners. So if you want to round every corners, set the value back to 0. Click on this one and then type any value, for example 50 or 100, 200. That's good. Click on any area outside of the designing panel, and then there you go. The corners for this image have all been rounded. Same for this one. Click on this image, for example, and then click on edit and then design. Let's say if you want to round the top left corner only, click on this one and then type, for example, 50, 100, and then click on any area outside of the designing panel, and then for this one we're going to round the bottom right corner. Click on edit and then go to design and then click here and then click on this one and then set the value to 100. Click on any area outside of the designing panel just like this, and then for this one we're going to round the bottom left and the bottom right corners. Click here and then click on edit and then click on design. Pick this one and then set the value for the bottom right corner to 100 and the bottom left corner to 100 as well. Click on any area outside of the editing panel. That's it. The corners of these images have all been rounded according to, what corners are rounded. That's how you can round corners of an image in Squarespace to design websites. It will do so well if you want to design a website prototype and then you want to insert your brand's vision and mission and the products that's promoted. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao.